Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be making soft and crunchy eggless or vegan coconut daddies. These are nice. I know it is back to school time and there are kids who are vegan, so this is a recipe for them. This is a recipe for a coconut lover, a recipe for someone who loves coconut and daddies in all. So start by mixing the dry ingredients. I left the ingredients up there in the upper right corner. We have flour, there is shredded coconut, and then we have baking powder, baking soda, then we have sugar. And the thing about sugar is that you can adjust it to suit your tastes and preference. If you want your daddies to be sweet, you can use 3/4 to 1 glass of sugar, or you can use a half or quarter cup if you don't want them to be so sweet. So it is all about what you want. Mix the dry ingredients and then put them aside. Then here we are going to melt butter. It can be Prestige, it can be Blue Band, whichever works for you. I used 10 tablespoons of Prestige. We are going to melt this until it is all melted, and then we are going to be adding it in the dry ingredients. If it is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to help me grow, like the video and leave a comment below. Once we are done, we pour all that into the dry ingredients. Then mix all that up until the butter incorporates well with the flour. I then used a little bit of coconut flavor or essence to enhance that coconut flavor, since these are coconut daddies. Mix all that up. This process is similar to that of scones when you mix the butter and flour all together before adding in any other liquid or any other ingredient. Like you can see, once you are able to hold it and it forms a shape, then it is ready. Add in the nutmeg or any other spice that you would love to taste in these daddies. It can be cinnamon, it can be ginger powder, it can be cloves powder, or any other spice that you'd love to enjoy in your daddies. Then here I used coconut milk. Add it in bits as you mix to form a dough. Since these are coconut daddies, you want someone to taste that coconut flavor. So that is why we use the shredded coconut, then use the coconut extract or essence, then the coconut milk here. So mix all that up until you have a very nice dough. To my returning subscribers, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love, for subscribing, for commenting. This really means a lot to me. I'm humbled, I'm appreciative, and please do share my videos to your families and friends. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Let me know what you would love to see on my channel. So once you are done with a very nice dough, like you can see, it is soft and it is ready, then transfer it back into a bowl and cover and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the flour incorporate with the rest of the ingredients, and then you'll have a very nice dough that is ready to make you those soft and crunchy daddies that we are aiming at. And here is how you can subscribe to my channel. It is free of charge. You don't need to pay. Ugandan Kitchen. Once you type in Ugandan Kitchen, there is my channel. Subscribe to it and then click on the bell to turn on your notifications. You click on all notifications and then you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I kindly request you put a like whenever you watch a video. This helps me with YouTube algorithm, which helps my channel to grow, which helps my content to be watched and appreciated by other people. Thanks. Then here, once the dough has rested for 15 to 20 minutes, you can see that it is soft, and so you knead it for a minute or two. And then at this rate, if you're going to use your oven, if you are going to bake these cookies, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and then dust with flour. Roll the dough, but do not make it too thin, and start cutting out those nice daddies. Also, for someone who wants to fry them in oil, it is just fine. I tried that out, although I did not show that in this video, but they turned out great. So yeah, at this rate, make sure that you have already heated up enough oil for deep frying these daddies on medium heat. These are eggless daddies and a recipe for coconut lover. I know by now you know how much I love coconut, and anything I can make out of coconut, I will be sharing it with you here on my videos. I love coconut, be it coconut milk, shredded coconut, anything to do with coconut. I love it. I love coconut. I can have it in meals every day. So line the daddies on a parchment paper, and then you can bake them for 13 to 15 minutes until they are all ready. Like you can see there, our first batch is already after baking. And yeah, once they cool down, you can keep them in an airtight container and then repeat the process and bake the rest of the daddies until they are done. And we are going to let them cool before we can store them in these containers. This is how I store them at home. For my kids, for my family, and you can see they are soft and crunchy, easy to make. And yeah, for back to school kids, for back to school students, this is definitely a recipe for you to try. They are so yummy and flavorful. So yeah, if you're a coconut lover, if you're a love of daddy's snacks, if you are looking for that snack that can last you for up to 3 months, then this is definitely a recipe for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. I have all the recipes on my channel. There is my video for maize flour daddies baked and fried. If you want matoke snack, I have the video. If you want gonjak recipes, if you want hard corns, oven baked cookies, one dough different variations, I have the videos for you. Are you looking for peanuts, how to make them, or are you looking for peanut butter with sim coated peanuts? I have all the video, and these are all on my channel. Kindly subscribe, help me grow, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.